kid. What's your name, anyway?
My name is
Nano, N-A-N-O.
Nigga, you ain't nothing but a motherfucking joke. All my body's funny, half the shit you done broke. Gotta stay high, cause I'm vexed on the low. And I ain't with the fake shit, so I'ma stay blowing smoke. I ain't worried about shit, I ain't worried about a beer. Come here real quick, nigga, take a fucking hit. I'm just a young nigga that is truly, too legit. I ain't playing games, but the perk got me glitched. Going up the top, nigga.
Guys, this is for the vlog right here, but my dad and my grandpa are currently up in this pear tree trying to save this swarm of bees. I don't know, where they at? Dude, you can see there they go. Look, you can see them. Bro, it's that badass swarm. And so the reason is because my grandparents, they take care of bees. As you can see, we got a bee box over there. Well, there's just too many fucking bees for that box. So they've decided to start swarming. And my grandma said this is one of the swarms. And she said there's another swarm somewhere over there in that area. It's just pretty interesting though. This is crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Holy shit. I had to bring my grandma's EpiPen out here in case, you know, she got stung. They got the whole last branch, bro. Look at my grandma. She's scared. She's scared.
Let him carry the whole thing over there, Charlie, because you got bees out here. Great, you might spray a little bit.
One of these hives over here that's open? Yeah.
You got to get the lid off, Charlie.
Got there yet, ain't it?
I know that.
Shut up, shit.
My dad's currently taking it over there to the box. Bruh, it is so damn bright out here. Look, I can't even. Man, guys, I really need to give you guys a tour of my property one day, because look at my grandparents. They got a nice, beautiful garden growing this summer. But I'm finna get closer to the bee box. I got no protective gear on, bruh. This is how you know how I'm rocking right here. No protective gear on needed. So you're gonna have to get a new box or what? What? Holy shit, that should look crazy.
Shake it in.
You should have taken some of those out.
Oh, you gotta find the queen bee and then we gotta put her in a clasp. Yeah, wow. Are they finna go crazy?
They're gonna go everywhere. Now I'm back up.
Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. Bruh. Bruh. I'm backing away slowly. Slowly. Holy fuck. Bruh. Shit. Holy fuck. I think a bee just shitted on me. Bro, I kid you not. I just got shitted on twice by a bee. One right there, and another one right there. I did not even know bees could shit on you. So, guys, my grandpa, dad, and grandma just got the swarm off this tree. But now, I'm starting to notice another swarm over here. If you guys can see all them fucking bees swarming around, I'm gonna try to get closer to it because you can actually see it start building up. Oh my god, it's so damn muddy over here. But as you can see, I'm not trying to get too close, but there's a fat ass, just swarm of bees right there. Yep, you can see them. Holy shit. I'm gonna try to get on this so I get a better little view of it. But the bees are going crazy because, like I said, there's just not enough room in the box, and their queen is probably right there. That's why they're all gathering up and shit. This is fucking crazy though that I'm not getting bit. I got no gear on. I think a bee just shitted on me.
70, nigga?
Life moving fast, that's why I sip slow. Used to wake up every morning, jamming Big Mo. That's when I was a little nigga, couldn't wait till I got a little bigger. Had a rap floor and shirt on, cause favorite song said fuck heel figure. You know how that goes, I let them know.